Hello and welcome to Target AFO YouTube channel. Sorry for the long gap due to some personal reason. I can't post the videos continuously. I apologize for that. Then, how are you guys? Okay. Today, I bring a most useful video for upcoming IBPS AFO exam and other bank exams. Without any delay, let's get into today's video. Yeah, I have completed my mains exam. After that, many of you got the same question which is also arise to me. The question is, what next? Maybe this video will help somewhat to gain some confidence for upcoming exam preparation. Yeah, I am a BTech Biotechnology graduate. My journey has been one of learning, perseverance, and growth. My journey of preparing for competitive exam has been filled with ups, downs, and valuable lessons. I want to share my story with you all, especially for those who are struggling like I did, to inspire and guide you in your preparation. I started my preparation on 2022, but I faced my first setback when I couldn't clear the prelims exam that year. However, I didn't let failure stop me. Instead, I used it as a learning experience to refine my approach and work harder. My efforts paid off when I successfully cleared my first prelims exam in 2023, and I achieved another milestone in 2024. This journey has taught me the value of resilience and determination, and I am committed to continuing this path of self improvement and success. When I started preparing for the IBPS AFO mains, I faced significant challenges. Coming from a non agriculture background, I felt confused and overwhelmed by the agriculture syllabus. In my first attempt, I couldn't clear the mains because I didn't have a clear understanding of how to approach the vast and diverse topic within the syllabus. Determined not to give up, I worked harder and prepared with solid plan for my second attempt. From my experience, I have learned that smart preparation strategies, consistency, and adaptability are key to success. To help others on similar journey, I have started sharing my preparation tips and strategies on my YouTube channel through videos and shorts. However, the exam questions were unexpectedly drawn from very random and obscure topics within the agriculture sector. Once again, I couldn't perform well, but the result is not yet coming, so we will wait for that. But this experience made me realize something critical. IBPS AFO exam often cover a wide range of topics for which there is no specific or standard material is available. This realization was an eye opener for me. I decided to change my approach and broaden my focus into include various banking exams instead of limiting myself to the AFO exam. This shift in perspective is not only expanded my opportunities but also gave me more clarity about the preparation process for the competitive exam. So my content now focus on all banking exam to help aspirants prepare effectively. I have also attached my scorecard for your reference so you can see the progress I have made over time. I strongly encourage you to join me on this journey. Let's prepare together and make 2025 the year we will achieve our dreams of clearing any of the banking exam. With dedication, mutual support, and clear strategy, success is within reach for all of us. Together, we can turn our struggles into stepping stones for a brighter future. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave your queries in the comments below. Let's ace the exam together. Your like, subscription, and the comments will motivate me to do more video for you all. So do like and follow. Thank you.